Welcome. Today, we're comparing AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D versus Intel Core 4900K. Welcome to our in-depth comparison between two high-performance processors, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D and the Intel Core i9-14900K. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, pricing, and more to help you decide which one is the right choice for you. If you find our content useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparisons. Let's start with the features. The AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D has 16 cores and 32 threads, offering exceptional multitasking capabilities. It also boasts AMD's 3D cache technology, increasing the L3 cache size for improved gaming performance. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-14900K has 14 cores and 20 threads. It features Intel's hybrid technology with performance and efficiency cores, aiming to provide a balance between power and energy efficiency. Moving on to performance, both processors deliver outstanding results. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D excels in multi-threaded tasks due to its high core count, making it ideal for demanding applications. However, the Intel Core i9-14900K shines in single-threaded performance, often outperforming the Ryzen in gaming and other single-threaded tasks. Both are excellent options, but your choice might depend on the specific tasks you intend to perform. Let's talk about pricing. As high-end processors, neither the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D nor the Intel Core i9-14900K come cheap. However, the Ryzen is generally less expensive than the Intel processor, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who want top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Remember, prices can fluctuate based on supply, demand, and other market factors. In terms of user experience, both processors offer a smooth, responsive experience. The AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D's high core count makes it great for multitasking, while the Intel Core i9-14900K's strong single-threaded performance ensures quick response times in most applications. Additionally, both processors have excellent thermal performance, ensuring your system stays cool under load. Looking at compatibility and integrations, both processors require a compatible motherboard. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D uses the AM4 socket, compatible with a wide range of AMD motherboards. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-14900K uses the LGA 1700 socket, compatible with Intel's latest motherboards. Make sure to check the compatibility of your motherboard before purchasing a processor. Now let's discuss power efficiency. The Intel Core i9-14900K, with its hybrid technology, is designed to balance performance and power consumption. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, while powerful, is generally less efficient than the Intel chip. If power efficiency is a priority for you, the Intel processor may be the better choice. When it comes to overclocking potential, both processors offer options for enthusiasts. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D supports Precision Boost Overdrive for automatic overclocking, while the Core i9-14900K supports Intel's Extreme Tuning utility. However, remember that overclocking can void your warranty and may lead to increased power consumption and heat output. So, who are the ideal users for these processors? The Ryzen 7 9800X3D, with its high core count, is perfect for heavy multitaskers, content creators, and users running demanding applications. The Intel Core i9-14900K, with its strong single-threaded performance, is great for gamers or users focusing on tasks that don't take full advantage of multiple cores. So, who's the winner? It's a close call, but the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D comes out on top. Its superior multi-threaded performance, more budget-friendly price, and broad compatibility with AMD motherboards make it a slightly better choice for most users. However, the Intel Core i9-14900K's superior single-threaded performance and power efficiency make it a worthy contender, especially for gamers and users prioritizing energy efficiency. Thank you for watching our comparison between the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D and the Intel Core i9-14900K. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your decision-making process. Remember, the best processor for you depends on your specific needs and budget. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparisons. Stay tuned for more.